In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend email in Gmail. Gmail doesn't have a resend button, but you can get the same result by forwarding a sent message or by copying it into a brand new email. Think of it as recreating what you already sent. I'll walk you through both methods and finish with a quick option for automated follow-ups and a few practical tips. Let's start with forwarding. Open Gmail and head to your sent folder. Find the message you want to send again, open it, and click Forward. In the Compose window, update the To field with the recipient and make any edits you need in the body. Adjust dates, links, or context so it's still accurate. If you want to add or remove people, use CC or BCC as needed, then click Send. Forwarding preserves the original content and any attachments, so it's the fastest way to resend. Before you send, give the thread a quick scan to make sure signatures and quoted text look clean. By default, Gmail adds FWD to the subject line when you forward. If you prefer a cleaner look, simply edit the subject field and remove that prefix or tweak the wording to better fit the resend. If you want the message to appear completely new, use copy and paste. Go to your sent folder. Open the email you want to resend. Select all the text and copy it. Keyboard shortcuts make this quick. Control or Command plus A to select all, then Control or Command plus C to copy. Click Compose to start a new email and paste the content with Control or Command plus V. Add the recipient, write a fresh subject line, make any updates you need, and click Send. This avoids FWD in the subject and skips any forwarded headers so it looks like a brand new message. A quick reminder about files. Copying and pasting only brings over text and images in the body, not attachments. If the original included files, reattach them before sending. When you forward, attachments are included automatically, which is why forwarding is often the fastest choice. If you frequently need to resend or follow up when someone doesn't reply, Gmail can't automate that on its own. Consider a trusted Gmail add-on that supports follow-up sequences or conditional resends. These tools integrate with your inbox to send a polite nudge after a set number of days. Always review the permissions they request and test with your own address before using them broadly. To wrap up, keep subjects clear, double-check recipients, and avoid bulk resends from a personal Gmail account. Use dedicated email tools for large lists. With these methods, you can resend any email in Gmail quickly and confidently.